Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very well. I'm doing well too, and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time you are watching my video, thank you so much. Welcome to the family. My name is Glory Mtui, and please, before you leave, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I do this flat twists or two strand twists. In my local language, we call it Majongoo. Okay, I will show you. The hair I use in this video is Mali hair, and each piece I cut into two equal parts. Here I started to divide my hair into two, and then I take half of the section and I start wrapping the hair using this Mali hair. I wrap only one time, and then I take another half and I hold them together. Then I continue wrapping. Here it depends on how long you want your flat twist to be. If you want your flat twist you want to be far from each other, of course you have to braid a little far. But if you want them to be closely, you have to braid short. Just make sure the distance from the first one to the third one and the second one to the fourth one, it's equal. Not too long and not too short. So after I roll for a couple times, then I hold the hair over there and I divide another section. This section I also divide into two, and I take another piece of hair. I divide into half and I start wrapping. Here I only wrap one time, and then I take other half, I hold them together, then I continue wrapping. Don't forget, the first time you have to wrap half and only wrap one time, and then take that another half, put them together and continue wrapping. And after that you can wrap several times and then you can hold it. So after I finish wrapping the first and the second section, I'm going to start joining the section together. So here I start another third section, and after divide the section, I divide into two, and then I take the first section, then I join it over there, over this half, and I wrap one time, and then I take half remaining, and then I continue wrapping. If I feel the hair remain fewer, I just keep it over there and I add another piece of hair. Then I continue wrapping. And every time when you are wrapping, you have to be careful. Don't wrap too tight, because if you wrap too tight, it means it will be hard for your section to bend. So you have to make sure not too hard and not too soft. So section number 2 is going together with section number 4, and every time before I add hair, I make sure I divide the new section into two, and then I take half, wrap one time, and then I take other half remaining. I hold them together and I continue wrapping. This is how this style go. After that, I secure it over there. And then I start a fresh section. Every time when you take the old section, you must make sure the lock is secured enough. You can redo it again, one step or two steps, to make sure they are secured enough, and then you can join to the new section. Then continue wrapping. Very easy and simple like this. And here you may decide either to put a big section or small section depending on which style your client or you decide to do. But here I show this small section because if you put small, they will come out also good. Even you put bigger, they'll also come out good. So don't forget, before you join the section, you have to redo it 2 steps or 2 times to make sure the locks they are secured enough, and then you can join the section to the next one. So here it means the first section is going to 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, and 11th. Each one you have to jump 1, and 2 must go to 4, 6, 8, yes, 10, like this. Don't mix them together, maybe 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. This is not going like this way. Once you divide your section into 2 before you join the section, the hair will come out more natural. They will not show like where you add the hair, where you move the section, more than to just hold the whole hair and start wrapping. But every time you have to make sure you are not wrapping too tight to avoid to cause too much tension, because this style is really very beautiful, but once you pull too much, you cause too much tension and you're going to break your hair. So guys, you have to be careful when you are braiding this hairstyle. So here I'll be showing you also how I finish this line, and have several choices. You can either decide to put flat twists, or you can decide to lock just after this last one. You can secure your section and just leave it like that. All it's okay. But here I'll be showing you how I do flat twists and of these lines. So after I braid this, I hold the last section and then I wrapping several times. And then I take the previous one. I also make sure I secure well. I wrap couple times and then I hold them together like this and I start do twist. Very simple like this. This brown hair is also Mali hair. I just use Mali hair black color and brown color. I don't know if it's brown or gold. Okay, I use both the Mali hair black and this gold color. And then here the tail I do flat twist, so I just do a normal flat twist. And this is how the hair comes out, guys. You see, let me do it one more time using different color. I mean, here I'll be using gold color. So before wrapping, you must make sure you repeat 2 or 3 steps just to make sure your locks they are secured well. You cover the hair well so that the hair will not show out, and then jump to another section. Each section you must make sure you divide into 2 before you wrapping. wrap one time and then take another half section and then put them together and continue wrapping. Guys, this protective style is very good, and you can keep this hairstyle depending on how your hair reacts. You can keep 3 weeks, even 1 month, depending on your hair and how you can keep your hair. And then I continue wrapping. Each time I divide the section, divide it into 2, hold half and then wrap one time. After that, continue wrap. This style, you can see it's like a stitch. They come out like a stitch, and you can see how beautiful they are if you can do it well. Guys, practice. Don't do it one time, and once you feel like the hair does not come out so well, then you give up. Don't give up, honey. Keep practice 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, then you will get perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Yes, nobody try 1 time and can get that thing perfect. This chance is very few. Mostly we practice several times, we keep practicing, then the more we practice, the better we become. So guys, keep practice. If you have any question, or if you have any place you don't understand, please feel free to ask me any question in comment section. I'll answer all questions. Yeah, just feel free to ask me anything about this hairstyle. I will answer you as much as I can. Please, if you love this video, please don't leave without give this video thumb up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bells. Also, don't forget to share with your loved one, your friends, your family. Yes, anyone you wish she or he can know how to do this hairstyle. Just share with them. Feel free to share with them, honey. Yes. So here we are continue wrapping, guys. Each section divided into 2, and then hold half and the half remaining. After wrap 1 time, hold them together and continue wrapping. This is how this style goes till end. You can see the times I add hair in second line is different with the times I add hair to the first line, because the second line I use the whole piece of hair, I didn't cut, so I braid longer compared with the first line I cut into 2 before I start braid. So to achieve this second line, I add hair 2 times each. Yeah, I add hair 2 times, and the last one I add to the tail, so total 3 times. And how to do this flat twist, you can do any way. You also can do cornrows, and here you can do also cornrows. We are just trying to create something easy and unique. we are not creating something very difficult people cannot achieve. Just do something simple and beautiful. So this is the final result for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumb up, and also don't forget to share. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye guys, take care of yourself.